Thank you for completing this playlist. I hope this playlist has provided some insights about what is really behind the curtains when it comes to the future of money. I have tried to favor every viewer by avoiding technical terms on how the blockchain works. However, my upcoming playlist on blockchain will provide more details on the original protocol that is open source, as well how you can create your own digital currency from scratch. Additionally, I will provide more details on how you can safely begin to invest in cryptocurrencies, and how they differentiate one from another. I will also provide guidance on how you can become a miner by renting equipment, as well how you can start mining digital money using your laptop, or even your Android phone. Lastly, if you enjoyed the videos, please take some time to share your thoughts and post a review. It would be highly appreciated. Up next. Ready for a deep dive into blockchain? Our upcoming playlist, Mastering Blockchain, an Advanced Guide, is your ticket to understanding this complex yet revolutionary technology. We'll explore the inner workings of blockchain, its security strengths, the impact on business, and much more. Join us to demystify blockchain and its role in transforming interactions from person to person to machine to machine. Stay tuned and prepare to delve into the future of technology. Before you leave, please hit the like button if you found this content valuable, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech discussions. Your support helps us keep producing high-quality, informative content. Stay tuned and prepare to delve into the future of technology. Don't miss it.